Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial from Visual Accuracy. Today we're gonna be creating the texture for the quick ball. It's gonna be quite easy to do, and but we're gonna, instead of doing it with nodes, we're gonna do it with textures, like similar how we've been doing, but a slightly different technique in the sense of how we do our UV. All right, let's get started. I'll let you guys know why I decided to do it with the texture, even though you could do it with nodes, just like the other ones in this case. Alright, so first of all, click on your Pokeball, and then disable or hide the button. Go into your textures, press tab to edit, press A twice to deselect everything. Then actually let me enable the screencast keys. Awesome. All right, so then go into your bottom material, click select, then go into your top material and then assign it. Okay, now go into your bottom one and then just remove it. Awesome, you should have this nice cool red and gray Pokeball. Remove it, there we go. Awesome, let's go into UV editing. Press 1 to go into the front view, then press A to select everything. Actually, let me have this in full screen, and then go into your UV, project from view. Awesome, select your UV map, increase it about there. Okay, new ×2 ×2. Awesome. All right, then UV, export UV layout. I'm gonna replace this, but we're gonna be creating that mask. Awesome. Now go where you saved it and open it with your favorite software. It could be Photoshop or Illustrator. Okay, and then let me just reopen it again. We're gonna be recreating that. All right, awesome. Now go into the center, and with your square tool, rectangle tool, press Control Shift or Alt Shift if you are using the Photoshop. Okay, it's in the middle. Double check. Awesome, that looks good. Duplicate your layer, Control J, same thing, same shortcut in Photoshop. Sorry if the music is a bit too loud. Then let's decrease the size. About that. Duplicate this one again. Rotate it 90 degrees. Then select all your layers and then rotate them another, was that 45 or 90? Yeah, 45 degrees. Okay, now let's double check with our UV. How does that line up? And it actually looks pretty good, except that our rectangles are a bit too small. It shouldn't make any difference, but let's just extend it outside of the canvas. All right, select them all and use your method of turning them white, and this software is pretty easy for me, so awesome. Let's create another rectangle for the background, and let's make sure that that is black. Okay, move it all the way back. Disable your UV guides, then save. All right. Go into your image, replace image. Excellent. As you can see, we don't see anything yet, and it's because we have to link it. Now go into your shading. If you have the node wrangler on, the atom, which we did at the beginning of our tutorial series, you can go into preference and enable that. Anyways, Control T, G to move, and pick your texture. Actually, I picked the wrong one. Go into the top. Excellent. Then Control T, G to move. There we go. Excellent. Now, as you notice, it's black and white, and we need it in color. Why didn't I export the texture with the yellow and the blue from the software? Because it might look a bit different, and we don't want to go back and forth. Now, to fix that, we're gonna go into Convert, Ramp, and we're gonna add a ramp. For the black, let's do a light blue. And for the white, let's do a yellow. Let's enable the button again, and there we go. Now, as you can see how much easier it is to do this way, because the frame projection allow us to project all the way across, and it makes this nice curve connect all the way with the back, and we didn't have to deal with any of that tweaking. All right, there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoy it. I should be recording a few more today and then releasing them on throughout the week. Now that I have a little bit more time, it's been getting really busy with work, and thank you. I will appreciate if you guys subscribe. I'll try even harder to upload them even faster if everyone subscribes, and as soon as this series is over, we're gonna be uploading some cool other tutorials. Please put it comment any suggestions, if you like them quick like this or a bit more details like the other ones. If you like the music in the background, if you could hear, let me know. All right, thank you.